Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the color changing canvas in Pixlr. First, open up the website pixlr.com, Pixlr.com, and you'll have two options. You can use the advanced Pixlr E, or you can use the free Playful Pixlr X. So we're going to use the free one. And then once it opens, just go to Open Image and navigate to where you save the color changing wall canvas. And we'll start with the JPEG. Just find it and then click Choose. It's going to give you several options for the size. I'd go with the original size. Then click Apply. And now we want to add our art to the canvas. So to do that, we've got all these icons on the left side. Click on the bottom one that says Add Image when you hover over it. And then it'll give you several options to find the image. Click on Browse at the top. And find your artwork. And then it's going to give you an option to either create a new document or add it to the current document. Click Add Current. And you might want to resize it, so then you can just hover over any of these four corners here and click and drag to change the size. And you might want to zoom in or out. So to do that, you can go to your browser, View, Zoom In, Zoom Out, or you can press Command plus on a Mac or Control plus on a PC to zoom in, and Command minus on a Mac or Control minus on a PC to zoom out. Then when you're good with the size, you're done. You can just click Save at the bottom here. And it's going to give you several options for saving it. So for saving it as a screenshot, like on Etsy, you want to save it as a JPEG. I'd put the quality to 100% and then click Download. And it's going to give you a message just saying that it's saved to the default download folder on your device. And then it'll even allow you to change where it's saved if you want to do that. And then, after a little while, you'll see that it's in your downloads folder and it's done. You also have the option to save it as like a PNG or a PXD, which is the default Pixlr document with layers. So you can download that if you want to. And that's all there is to it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you and have a good evening.